Okay, Joseph, let's give this a try. Um, First off, notice the address I'm at. I'm at a beta.geogebra.org. So exporting to 3D print is going to be in the newer version of the 3D graphing calculator. So make sure you're at beta.geogebra.org. And once you're there, I click on the 3D graphing calculator. And just for kicks, we'll go ahead and we'll just make some sort of a pyramid. So I'll make the base some sort of a quadrilateral, and then I'll click up here on the z-axis to place my vertex. And then I'll go ahead and put that tool away. And so what I can do is once I've got my shape, I go to Download As. If I click on that, I can download as OpenSCAD. But notice it is JSCAD. That's just an online version of OpenSCAD. So we'll export that puppy and see what happens. And so you can see that on the screen. There that is. And then I go up here to openjscad.org. And it says here I can drop one or more supported files right into that little area. So I'm going to take that GeoGebra export. Okay, let me see if I can get it. There you go. Let me drop that puppy there. And sure enough, there it is. So that's not bad. So let me see if I can, it says generate an STL file. So let's go ahead and download the STL file. And I'll click on this and see if this works. It's been a little buggy for me lately. So we'll see if this starts up for me. Yeah, so I want to auto repair. Perfect. And I don't want to upload right now. And I can see it's down there at the very bottom. Let me zoom in on that a bit. And so I should be able to 3D print that. Now I haven't tried to print anything elaborate like surfaces or solids, but this should do the trick. And typical of most GeoGebra things, it will only get better with time. So anyway, Joseph, I hope this has been helpful. And if you got any questions, you know how to reach me, man.